everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint Online to design professional and visually appealing slides directly in your browser. Creating impactful presentation is an essential skill for student, professional, and business owners, and PowerPoint Online makes it easy to design high quality slides without installing any software. Right now we are at the website of the powerpoint.cloud.microsoft. So this is the url. Make sure that your Microsoft account is already logged in. As you can see that my Microsoft account is already logged in. So once you read to this website, you just need to click on this create blank presentation, or you can also choose ready-made presentations from here. Okay, so let me refresh the page. So here you can see that you get multiple templates with like different categories for celebration, creative design, photo albums, trip planning, business, or you can also search for if you are a student and you're looking for a template so that you can deliver your project, you can just also search for the template accordingly. Okay, or you can also just click on show all presentations and it will show you all the presentation. But for now, let's suppose we are going to create a creative design, so let's select this category and it will show you the design accordingly. Okay, so as you can see that it has shown some slides. So let's suppose if you want to proceed this one, we will click on this edit button. Okay, so here you can see that on the left side we have got number of slides. These slides are total 14 slides, but if you want to add more slide, we can also add more slide. And so this is the main introductory slide or the first slide. You can write the title here, or you can also add multiple text. Okay, after that you will go to the second slide and you can change the text, you can change the image as well. Okay, so if you want to insert image, you just select this insert image and then you select picture. Okay, simple frame white, or you can also click on the change picture, it will change the current picture. Okay, so this is how you can edit all these slides and you can add your own pictures and text. In simple word, you can add your own data. Okay, so you can also add transitions between each slide. Let's suppose this is the morph transition. Let's apply it to all. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so that's how you have applied the morph template to all. So let me show you how this transition looks like. So I will just preview these slides and let's see. So as you can see, this is the transition that's been shown. It's a morph transition. So that's how you can choose multiple transition, and after making a presentation, you can also rename the file of your presentation. And after that, you just click on the file and then you can save or export it to your device and download as a PDF. It's up to you. You can also print it right away. So that's how basically you can use Microsoft PowerPoint Online for creating professional slides. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.